Hey guys, so welcome to another project day. This is just going to be a quick project I'm doing someone's office for them. I will flip back real quick to show you what we started with. So we actually started in this same room, and we put up a wall to give them some privacy and separation. And then once we got the wall up, it was time to come in and start painting the place. So that is what we did, and so now this is where we are. So this is the room now. Let me start over here. Okay, so this is the room now. So as you guys can see, we put in a door, we added that wall, we have painted, gotten rid of that blue that was in here, and so now it is time to do a little bit of touch up first, and then we're going to decorate. Now I have my mother-in-law here with me today, helping me with this renovation. So we about to get ready to start moving everything in, and hopefully we'll be done pretty quickly. All right, y'all, so y'all may have never done this before. I haven't either, but we have decided to cut this rug because what we want half of it going this way and the other half going that way. So we're gonna cut it and see if we can get this thing looking right.
Take a picture too?
No, it's recorded.
Good.
Supposed to be recording me, bud.
How I zoom in?
Huh?
How I zoom in?
You don't have to zoom in. Look at me. Can you see mommy? You can see me?
Uh-huh. Now which picture? Now, how I take the
It's
picture?
recording a video. It's recording a video. Alright, you guys, we are done. Pretty much done. There's one little small thing that we have to do, but for right now we're done. So I'm going to show you guys the after. So let's go. right, so let me explain to you guys what this is. So PAJ Consulting. So Miss Patricia Ann Jones, she consults other people with striving businesses and helps you to get your business off the ground and really birth businesses. And then also she is a community advocate. So this area that you see here right behind me, so she does a lot of Facebook Live videos, and she's going to start doing YouTube videos where she'll be recording and interviewing people from the community, how we can better our community. So that is exactly what this area is. So you see her screens up there, her backdrop screens. So she's able to roll those down and have a nice backdrop behind her while she is conducting her interviews. So that is perfect. It's like 3 or 4 different screens there. So she has her filming section of the office, and then also her desk where she'll be conducting her business, and then also where she can receive guests here as well. So this is it. This is PAJ Consulting, designed by NeesieDoesiT and a few of my friends, family really. I really hope you guys like this video. If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below. And I want to just say hello to all of the new subscribers. I see you guys. We made it to 10,000 subscribers on here. Thank you so much for all of the love and for subscribing and all the likes on the videos and all the comments and everything. So if you enjoy DIY videos, or you know friends that enjoy DIY videos and decorating, then tell them to come on over to the channel and become a part of the family. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, I did not get her reaction. So I was painting the door and she showed up and I did not know she was coming. But let me tell you guys, she really loved it. As a matter of fact, I said, oh, I'm so glad you liked it. She said, no, I don't like it. I love it. So I'm so sorry I did not get her reaction. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.
Bye.
Say bye.